Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my March Boxycharm here, and I am really excited about this box. I'm going to share with you guys everything that I have. If you are new here to my channel, I do these monthly unboxings with you guys every single month, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I'm going to take you guys on a step-by-step tutorial using all the products that I received in my box, so let's go ahead and get started.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
First off, I want to mention, if you do not know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box where you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. It varies from makeup products, skincare products, nail care products, hair care products. Everything beauty related is going to be inside of your box. It switches up every single month, and you only have to pay $25 for this basic box that I'm going to be reviewing today. You do have the option to upgrade. You guys can check out all those details in the link that I will have listed down below. So if you're interested in subscribing to this month's box, the link is going to be listed down below, so you guys can check out all that information. By the theme, you guys are seeing that it's all related to St. Patrick's Day, since, you know, it's in March. I'm a little late with this box. Ooh, I actually seen my friend Alma receive this, and I was hoping that I did receive it as well because Glow's Recipe has some of my favorite moisturizers. I received a few of Glow Recipe's products in previous boxes, and I just fell in love. They are a little bit on the higher price range. Let me check how much this one here is. This is $39. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Sulfate Moisturizing Cream. It's a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's good for sensitive skin. It's blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and Cica with its recipe for hydrated looking skin. And again, this is $39. Oh, shoot, it does smell like banana. Ooh, do you guys remember the watermelon moisturizer that we received from Glow Recipe? Maybe it was a year or 2 years ago. I've been with Boxycharm for quite some time, so I've definitely built up on my makeup collection. If you do not have a large makeup collection, this is a perfect way to grow it at an affordable price, because, I mean, these products are pretty pricey on their own. And like I said, you only have to pay $25. What the hell's on my lip? Look how dewy and healthy my skin looks, even with all the scarring. Okay, let's move on to the next product that I have. Again, I'm going to continue on with skincare before applying makeup on. We received the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. These nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress. Treat and relax your under eyes. You deserve it. And these here retail for $18. These are actually quite messy to get out. I thought I was going to get them out, but you had to like dig in there. Did I put the... I never know how to put them on. Maybe it's this way. Ooh, this one's ripped. This next product, I'm really excited about this one because Lime Crime has some of the first eyeshadows that I ever had in my makeup collection. My sister actually gifted me a duo of eyeshadow palettes, and this one is the only one I was missing to complete the collection. This is the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. I have Venus 1 and Venus 2. Now we have 3. This palette is filled with Rapture's Lilac, Rose Gold, Mauve, and Earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself, and this here retails for $38. So these are all the colors that are in here. It also has a good size mirror right over here, as you guys can see. It's such a cute packaging, and I'm going to show you guys the other ones just in case you guys have never seen these before. I love the packaging of these. They're freaking adorable. Let me show you guys. Let me show you my little mini collection. This is what they look like side by side. They are very old. They're probably 4 or 5 years old, but I still wanted to keep them because they're just really cute, like I've already mentioned. This is the original Venus eyeshadow palette, and it doesn't look so cute on the inside because, like I said, it's already been 4 or 5 years that I've had this palette. But yeah, these are the colors that are in here. I definitely use this eyeshadow palette a lot, but since my makeup collection continues to grow, it's hard to just go back, and I'm pretty sure that's expired already. This here is the Venus 2 eyeshadow palette. Also really nice. It's like a little box type of eyeshadow palette, and these are the colors that are in this eyeshadow palette. And now we have Venus 3. If you guys don't know, I have my own business, and I actually named a pair of my eyelashes Venus because Venus is a goddess. And let's get started with playing around with this eyeshadow palette. I'm talking way too much. These are starting to like fall down, so we gotta push them back up. Let's begin with this beautiful baby here. I want to play with colors that I feel like a lot of people haven't played with, but at the same time I want to use majority of these eyeshadows. I'm going to start with the darkest shade from the palette first, and that one is, it's called Ecstasy. And this here is a Sigma E27 eyeshadow brush. I'm going to begin by applying it and packing it onto the outer edge right there. Just like that, kind of like taking it up to the eyebrow, sort of. Going towards it, not like all the way up, and just packing it on. It's pretty pigmented. I wish it was a little bit darker though. Now the next color I'm going to be using is called Bliss, and this is like a mauvey, a dark mauvey color. And I'm going to be packing this color on top of the one I just applied, like so, and bringing this color a little bit more inward, just like that. I'm wiping the brush on a little makeup towel that's on my lap and just using the rest to blend this part out. And I want to make sure that I'm wiping off the brush so that I'm able to blend this top part and the edges out as best as I can. Beautiful. See that? That just blended really, really nice. I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to stay with this brush. We're going to dip back into the color Ecstasy, which is that brown shade, and I'm going to be layering it on top of where we first originally placed it, just so that we get that intensity back. And we're also going to be dragging the color inward. I'm really, really liking that, except right in here is kind of looking a little bit weird. I'm going to go back into the lid with a Q-tip and just remove some of the eyeshadow from this area right here. Just a little bit, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to apply some concealer now. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I think I put way too much concealer, but that's okay. We're just gonna use a brush to blend it out throughout the eye. This is the Morphe M250 brush, by the way. And this is just perfect to get a really crisp line, except that it's getting kind of tricky because I put too much concealer. Okay, we're gonna go into the color Heavenly first and see how that goes. This is beautiful. I love this color. I can't wait to wear the purples though. I just feel like a lot of people use the purple, so I'm trying to like use the less commonly colors. Okay, and then with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the color Beloved. Why not? Let's see what that looks like. And again, I'm using the same colors, the same brush, just so that you guys can see you don't need that big of a brush collection to achieve beautiful looks. And we're going to close off this eye by using a little fluffy brush like this one. And we're going to go into the color Ecstasy. Before I do that, I want to use the color Bliss, which is that mauve pink shade. And we're going to apply it out here. And then we're going to pack in the color Ecstasy just to this bottom corner. And then we're going to slowly blend upwards. These are just hanging off. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. I definitely did experience some fallout. I know that it claims that you don't experience any fallout with this, but maybe it was the technique that I used to pack on the eyeshadows and all that, but I definitely experienced fallout, just so you guys know. That's a pretty big claim for an eyeshadow palette to say that it doesn't experience fallout, because I don't think I have an eyeshadow palette that I don't experience fallout with. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing over to this eye, apply some mascara, some lashes, and the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to share with you guys the final 2 products that I received in this month's box. We're back. I have my eyelashes. I have my full face of makeup. I am wearing my eyelashes, by the way. These are in the style Unica. If you guys are interested in shopping at this style here, I will have it linked down below. My business website is always linked in every single video. And let's move on to the next product. The next product I have here is the Kab Lip Oil. The Kab Lip Oil is a hydrating lip oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. This retails for $20. I absolutely love lip oils and I'm really excited about this one. Hopefully we have a color that I like. This one is called Rum Punch. Oh yes. So, if you guys ever notice, maybe in the beginning of this video, you guys see that I love wearing glosses or lip oils in every single video of mine because I just love hydrated lips when I do apply my lipstick later on through the day after I finish my makeup. I want to have perfect lips to apply any type of lipstick over. So, lip oils are definitely some of my favorite. Let's try this one. I think I might have tried this brand before from Boxycharm. Oh yeah, I have some, I have the Buxom Lip Pencil. This one is called Jolly Danger. That's what I was wearing on my lips. That was the only thing I had on my lips. And I'm just putting this right over it. Next, we have a Maven beauty product. I'm really excited about this because this is actually a beauty brand from Fashion Nova that they just recently launched. So it's kind of cool to have something that is very new to the beauty industry. This is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. This retails for $22. It says set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging up to 16 hours. And again, this retails for $22. It definitely shoots out and you guys can see, I don't know, let me see, zoom. You guys can see that it leaves little droplets of water. I don't like that. I like a fine mist whenever I do apply some setting spray. We'll see how this goes on about the day, but that will complete today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on of every product that I received from this month's Boxycharm. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on next month's box. And I hope to see you guys in that next video. Bye.